guys, back with another video, and today I'm going to be making slime with these glue sticks right here. I bought these at Dollar Tree, and yeah, let's get into the video. Oh yeah, using paper plate, a paper knife, and some Tide. This is the Tide. Alright, been open for a long time, but I think I still can use it. I'm going to use 1.5, so I'm going to leave this one to the side. I never used one of these before, so it's going to be the first time. The first time in forever. Throw it in my hand. Well, I'm going to just pour it out, squeeze it out. Can't open the top. The top is supposed to be open, but... Okay guys, that's all I can do now. This much. That it isn't that much. It's okay though. I don't care. I think you twist and then pull, or you just pull. Okay, there we go. That's about half. Put the top back on this one. Put the top back on this one. Oh, it snaps. Snap it. Okay, so I have this much. 1 second. Guys, I'm back, and I'm just gonna put 1 drop of water in it. Just 1 drop. I was trying to find the food coloring. I did find it, but I'm not really supposed to use it, so I'm not gonna use it. I was gonna use it anyways, and I was supposed to, but I'm not gonna use it. Okay, there we go. A little bit more than the rest before. Water. I love putting water. It's better for me. Put a little bit to the side. Just so I can take it. I mean, I like putting a little bit at a time just so I can get good. I said get good, if you didn't hear me. So if you can't see it, this is what it looks like. This. It's a little bit blue. It's not that blue. But yeah. And guys, I'm going to make a lighter for you guys. There you guys go. Oh, that makes a line. Okay. That's good. Here it is. Okay, I still need to activate more. Okay, that's enough. Plenty. Okay, and to mix with my hands now, so I'm 2 fingers in there. Just so it won't stick that bad on my hands. It's sticking. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, I can't pause it. Okay, I guess you're gonna have to sit here for a second until I take this off my hands. Okay, guys, I got it all kneaded up. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Let me show it up closer because it is a little bit blue. I can't see it. Move the light over here. See it, guys. I'm not trying to move it too fast, but yeah. But yeah, So yeah. Don't mind the stick over here. I was eating some donuts. But yeah. So yeah. So yeah, guys. There we go. And you know what it is. We're going to make another video another day. And see you later. Peace.